Musty smells in portable air conditioners are typically caused by mold and mildew growth due to moisture buildup. Here's how to eliminate these odors effectively. First and most importantly, always unplug the unit before starting any cleaning process. This ensures your safety while working on the air conditioner. Remove and clean the air filters. Vacuum the filter first to remove loose debris, then wash it with warm, soapy water. Make sure it's completely dry before reinstalling to prevent mold growth. Clean the coils using a coil cleaner. Apply it generously and wait about 10 minutes for it to work. For heavy grime, use a soft brush with mild detergent solution to gently scrub the coils. Drain and clean the water tank and drip tray with mild detergent and warm water. This prevents mold and mildew buildup in areas where water collects. Finally, deodorize the unit using a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar to clean the water tray and air filter. You can add essential oils or scented disinfectants to the vinegar solution for a fresher smell. Following these steps will effectively eliminate musty smells from your portable air conditioner. Remember to always prioritize safety and ensure all components are completely dry before reassembling the unit. Preventing mold growth and odors in your portable air conditioner requires consistent maintenance practices. Let's explore the key strategies that will keep your unit fresh and efficient. The most critical prevention step is regular filter maintenance. Clean your air filters every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on usage and environmental conditions. Water management is equally important. Empty the water tank daily to prevent standing water, which creates ideal conditions for mold growth. Proper ventilation around your unit is essential. Ensure adequate space for air circulation and maintain indoor humidity levels below 50% using a dehumidifier. Apply mold-resistant solutions regularly. A mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar works effectively as a natural mold preventative for interior surfaces. Regular inspection of hoses and drainage points prevents water buildup. Check for leaks, blockages, or damage that could lead to moisture problems. Schedule annual deep cleaning of the evaporator coil by a professional. Modern units like the TCL MZ series feature direct wash filters that make maintenance easier. Following these prevention strategies consistently will keep your portable air conditioner operating efficiently while maintaining fresh, clean air in your space.